What's in the box?
Hey, what's up YouTubes? Weston back again with another brand new pair of kicks. Today we're unboxing the Nike Element React 55 collaboration with Pulitzer Prize winning hip hop artist Kendrick Lamar. This shoe retailed for a price of $150 and is Kendrick Lamar's fifth collaboration with Nike. This shoe features contrasting marbleized graphics split between the lateral and medial parts of the shoe. It sits upon the latest React outsole featuring black paint speckles and that features the same marbleized graphic just beneath. And like all great sneaker collaborations, it comes with an extra pair of laces. Music and sneakers go together just like peanut butter and jelly, and this shoe is no different. Seemingly out of nowhere, Kendrick Lamar comes out of his long hiatus to drop this Element React 55. Whether this is a hint to new music coming out soon, we can only speculate, but here's to hoping that Kendrick Lamar can breathe new life into the genre. Outside of the fact that I'm a Kendrick Lamar fan, which I'm sure you can tell, these shoes I picked them up mostly as an impulse buy because it was a kind of a shock release. I felt like I needed to get my hands on a pair. And now that I got them in hand, I can easily see these being a kind of knock around shoe because one, the comfortability of the Element React collection, which I actually have a few pairs of. First, Element React 55s. I'm typically a fan of the 87 and their translucent uppers. However, this is a nice change of pace with the graphic and the translucent swoosh on the upper as well. One thing I would have liked to see on the shoe would have been the addition of reflective shoelaces. Just a personal thing, I just like reflective stuff. I'll probably get some reflective laces and put them in there myself, but it would have been nice for them to come with the shoe as a whole already. With that being said, let's see what they look like on foot. So it seems like I'm picking up a lot of daily shoes lately. I got the shoe in a 9.5 and it fits very well. However, this shoe will most likely be used as like an everyday errand type of shoe, like if I just got them laying out and I just need something to throw on to run downstairs or run outside or run a couple errands around town. This will probably be the shoe that I toss on just because of the color scheme seems to go with everything. Just that gray neutral tone as we kind of move into the fall and winter. It just seems like the right time to add a shoe like this in the rotation. So there you have it. That is my review on the Kendrick Lamar Nike Element React 55. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, all that good stuff. As always, feel free to check out my social media in the description below. And until next time, peace.